Good morning, class 7th. Today we will start with the topic transportation of material. This is our third video in continuation. Today we will talk about heart. Already we discussed about the blood vessel, and now today we will talk about the heart. Okay. Now, heart is a muscular organ that is located in your chest cavity. It is slightly tilted towards the left. It's about the size of clenched fist. Okay? आप अपनी मुट्ठी बंद करते हैं ना, मुट्ठी बंद करोगे, कितना आपका हार्ट का साइज है. ठीक है. सो मस्कुलर ऑर्गन है, कंटिन्यूअसली इट बीट्स and it acts as a pump. It acts as a pump for transportation of blood. Okay, so chest is it is present in your chest cavity. स्लाइटली टिल्टेड टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट. ऐसा बोल देते हैं कि लेफ्ट में होता है हमारा हार्ट. लेफ्ट में नहीं होता है हार्ट. हार्ट हमारा सेंटर में होता है, बट ये लेफ्ट की तरफ झुका हुआ होता है. इट इज टिल्टेड टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट. ओके, चलिए, लेट्स सी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ हार्ट. लेट्स सी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ हार्ट. Heart is divided into two halves. Heart is divided into two halves. Each side of the heart has two chambers. See this. Each side of the heart has two chambers. The two upper chambers are called as auricles. So heart is having four chambers. This is the upper two chambers. They are called as auricles, and the lower chambers are called as ventricles. They are again divided into right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, left ventricle. So how many chamber? Four chamber. Four chamber. Okay. So heart is divided into two halves, upper half and the lower half. The upper half is having two chambers. Again, okay, they are called as atrium, right atrium and left atrium. The lower chambers are called as ventricles. So ventricles are again of two, right ventricles and left ventricle. Okay. So the upper chamber and the lower chamber, they are separated. The right and the left chamber is also separated. The auricles of the two lower chambers are called as ventricles. Okay, so upper chambers are called as auricles and the two lower chambers are called as ventricles. There are walls between the auricles and ventricles on each side. There are walls, small valves are there that are present between auricles and ventricles. The right auricle here, the right auricle, this is right auricle, this is right auricle, opens into the right ventricle. Here, this is your right ventricle, and the left auricle or the left atrium, this one opens into left ventricle. Okay, there are no walls between the two auricles or in between two ventricles. As a result, here you can see, as a result as a result of this kind of construction of the heart, the blood in the right side of the heart remains completely separated from the left side of the heart. So left and the right part of the heart is completely separated. The blood will not mix. The blood of right side will not mix with the blood present in the left side. So they remain completely separated from the left side of the heart. The valves that are present allow the blood to flow only in one direction, and there will be no mixing of pure or impure blood, oxygenated or deoxygenated blood. Okay, so let me make it very clear to you people again. Heart is having four chamber. Suppose this is your heart. It is having four chamber. Okay, the upper chambers are called as auricles. So this is your right auricle, this is your left auricle. The lower chambers are called ventricles. This is your right ventricle and this is your left ventricle. Okay, you can see the four chambers. The auricles and ventricles, they are separated. There are walls that are present between the auricles and ventricles on each side. Okay, you can see here the tricuspid valve, pulmonary wall, they are present. They will not allow the backflow of the blood. Okay, now the right auricle, will open into right ventricle and the left auricle will open into left ventricle. There are no walls in between two auricles or in between two ventricles. Okay, so as a result, there is this kind of construction of heart where the right side and the left side remain completely separated and there will be no mixing of blood takes place. लेफ्ट साइड में हमेशा प्योर ब्लड रहता है, ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड रहता है एंड राइट साइड में हमेशा इम्प्योर या फिर डीऑक्सीजनेटेड या फिर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिच ब्लड रहेगा. ठीक है, तो हमने लेफ्ट और राइट में हार्ट को डिवाइड कर दिया. लेफ्ट ऑरिकल, लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल. इधर देखिए राइट ऑरिकल, राइट वेंट्रिकल. ठीक है, heart acts as a pump and bring about the movement of blood in our body. Okay, now how the circulation of blood takes place from your heart to your body to your lungs, let's have a look. Here you can see the heart. Again you will see the right auricle and left auricle, right ventricle and left ventricle. Four chambers are there. Okay, now circulation of blood takes place throughout the body by the pumping action of your heart. Your heart acts as a motor. आपका heart ऐसे मोटर की तरह काम करेगा जो blood को force से pump करेगा ताकि blood जो है वो आपका body के हर एक part में जा सके. Okay, now the direction of the flow of the blood, how it flows from heart to lung, back to the heart, from the heart. What happened? Try to understand. The purified blood मतलब blood that is rich in oxygen is received by left auricle. मैंने आपको क्या बताया था, लेफ्ट पार्ट जो है आपके हार्ट का, लेफ्ट पार्ट आपके हार्ट का कैसा है बेटा, कैसा ब्लड रहेगा वहां पे लेफ्ट पार्ट में? लेफ्ट पार्ट में आपका प्योर या फिर ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड रहेगा. तो ये सपोज आपका लेफ्ट पार्ट है, मैं इसको ऐसे डिवाइड करती हूँ. ठीक है, सो प्यूरिफाइड ब्लड, प्यूरिफाइड या फिर कह सकते हैं हम ऑक्सीजन वाला ब्लड या ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड that is rich in oxygen is received by the left auricle. यहाँ से ब्लड आ रहा है इन दिस चैम्बर, लेफ्ट ऑरिकल। ओके, कहाँ से आ रहा है? फ्रॉम द लंग्स, लंग्स से। आपको पता है लंग्स में वी इनहेल ऑक्सीजन, हम ऑक्सीजन अंदर ले रहे हैं, वो ट्रकिया से होते हुए हमारे लंग्स में जा रही है। लंग्स में वी हैव स्मॉल स्ट्रक्चर विच इज कॉल्ड एज एल्वियोलाई। एल्वियोलाई आर सप्लाइड विद ब्लड वेसल्स। वहां से हमें ऑक्सीजन मिल रहा है ब्लड को। तो ये जो ऑक्सीजन वाला ब्लड है, हिंदी में समझो आप, ये जो ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड है वो कहाँ आ रहा है? इन लेफ्ट ऑरिकल, इस वाले पार्ट में आ रहा है। हेयर कहाँ से आ रहा है? लंग्स से आ रहा है, लेफ्ट ऑरिकल फ्रॉम लंग्स। Okay, now as it received the blood received by the left auricle from the lungs, from the left auricle it enters to left ventricle. अब ये लेफ्ट ऑरिकल से होता हुआ कहाँ आएगा? लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल में, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, सेकंड चैम्बर ये वाला, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल में, which distribute the blood to various organs and tissue of the blood through the arteries. अब यहाँ पे एक मेन आर्टरी होती है जिसको हम बोलते हैं एओर्टा। ओके, ब्लड जो है वो एओर्टा के अंदर जाएगा और एओर्टा से ब्लड आपके पूरी बॉडी के अंदर, पूरे ऑर्गन्स के अंदर, पूरे टिश्यूज के अंदर पहुंच जाएगा। क्योंकि हमें हमारे बॉडी के ऑर्गन को क्या चाहिए? प्योर ब्लड, ऑक्सीजन वाला ब्लड चाहिए। ये ऑक्सीजन क्यों चाहिए? ताकि ग्लूकोज हम ब्रेक डाउन कर सके टू रिलीज एनर्जी। Arteries divided into capillaries in the body organ and tissues. The blood will pass on the food and oxygen and collects carbon dioxide and waste materials. This impure or deoxygenated blood, अब ये blood कहाँ गया? In every part of your cell, every part of your organ, वहाँ पे oxygen is consumed to produce energy, carbon dioxide will release, waste rock will release carbon dioxide and waste material. This impure will mix in the blood, and this impure or deoxygenated blood collected by the capillaries again, now it will flow in the veins. Veins, आपको पता है veins will carry the deoxygenated blood. Veins carry the blood back to the heart. Where? Towards your right side. Here, the impure blood received by the right auricle or right atrium. This impure or deoxygenated blood, it is received by the right auricle. From here the blood is passed on the right ventricle, then it will pass to the right ventricle. Okay, from where it is pumped to the lungs. अब ये कहाँ पंप हो जाएगा? Towards your lungs for purification. Okay, so the oxygenated blood again return to the left auricle. So the cycle will repeat. This is called as the circulation of blood. सिंपल सीधे शब्दों में समझो, दोबारा से समझो। लंग्स से, क्योंकि लंग्स में ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड है, लंग्स ऑक्सीजन कैरी कर रहा है, तो ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड लंग्स से कहाँ आएगा? लेफ्ट ऑरिकल में आएगा। फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट ऑरिकल इट मूव टू लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल। ओके, लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल से ब्लड जो है इट पुश्ड टू द मेन आर्टरी विच इज कॉल्ड एज एओर्टा, which is called as aorta. एओर्टा जो है वो ब्लड को फोर्सफुली डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स में भेज देगा जहां पे जरूरत है। दिस ऑक्सीजन इज यूज्ड अप बाय to produce energy, and the waste, that is carbon dioxide and the waste material, it will again mix in the blood and it will reach to the veins. सारी वेन्स कलेक्ट होके एक बड़ी वेन में कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगी, दैट इज सुपीरियर वेना कावा. दिस इज योर सुपीरियर वेना कावा. हियर दिस इज द सुपीरियर वेना कावा. It will pour the blood into right auricle. Right auricle से blood left ventricle में आएगा. From here the heart will pump to again towards the lungs. ये impure blood है. The impure blood will pump towards the lungs so that it can be purified again. Can be purified again. Okay? An adult human being, the heart pump out the blood to the arteries about 70 times per minute. See the rate. And the heart is made up of muscles that have the property of contraction and relaxation. आपका हार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करता है, रिलैक्स करता है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करता है, रिलैक्स करता है, रिदमिक मूवमेंट होता है. The regular rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart is called as heartbeat. Okay? Continuation, your heart will relax and contract, and this continuation of regular rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart is called as heartbeat. You can feel your heartbeat by placing your hand on the left side of your chest. धक 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 की आवाज आती है. This is not धक धक, this is lub dub. The heart sounds lub dub. The heart starts beating long before the time of the birth and it goes on beating till death. Okay, so heartbeat goes up to 150 times a minute when a person is exercising or doing muscular work. Here you can see this is a stethoscope, children. This is used by the doctors. The heartbeat can be observed with the help of instrument which is called as a stethoscope. What is the normal heartbeat at rest? 65. What is the normal heartbeat? 65, 65 to 75 per minute. Okay, per minute. And in a child, the heartbeat is, yes, in children, छोटे बच्चे होते हैं उनमें 90 to 100 हो जाती है. ये हार्ट बीट उनकी बहुत ज्यादा होती है. ये हार्ट बीट आपकी it will go high when you are doing any physical work, कोई एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो या कुछ भी आप मस्कुलर एक्टिविटी कर रहे हो. Okay, yes, Deepika Verma, right. A stethoscope, you can see the stethoscope here, amplifies the sound of your heartbeat so that it can be heard clearly. Okay, so if you can see, this is a structure. See the structure of the stethoscope. Here we are having the earpiece. This is earpiece that a doctor will insert inside the ears. Okay, this is your connecting. This is your connecting tube, and this is called as chest piece. Chest piece. Okay, a chest piece which is very sensitive to the heartbeat. It is placed by the doctor on your chest, and two earpiece which the doctor put in the ears to hear your heartbeat, and the connecting tube which join the earpiece and the chest piece. Now, my question is, How you can keep your heart healthy? Come on, message me. How you can keep your heart healthy? कैसे हम अपने हार्ट को हेल्दी रख सकते हैं, बताइए. You know, children, your diet is very important. You know, when you are eating fatty substances, when you are eating food which is rich in, you know, um, cholesterol, high cholesterol, fat, they will block your. योगा भी कर सकते हैं पंकज, बिल्कुल सही. तो दे विल क्लॉग योर ब्लड वेसल, वो हमारी ब्लड वेसल्स को. यस सौम्या, सही आंसर. एदा राइट. दीपिका राइट. Cut the amount of fat in the diet. Very good. Deepika, right. Okay. So when you are eating too much of fatty food, the amount of fat in your diet will block the blood vessels. वो आपके blood vessel को block कर देंगी and it will not allow the proper supply of blood towards your heart. Okay. When you eat fat rich diet, a person become obese also. मोटे हो जाते हैं बच्चे. Yes, 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 Siddhi. Very good. So when a fat, this put an extra strain on your heart. इससे आपके हार्ट पे जोर पड़ता है and has to push the blood to very great or enlarged, force. This extra strain on the heart and the accumulation of fatty substances in the arteries can lead to heart attack, children. And it can be overcome by eating the balanced diet. आपको आपको balanced diet खानी है. ठीक है. जब आप बहुत ज्यादा ऑयली फूड खाओगे तो क्या होगा, आपकी जो ब्लड वेसल्स हैं वो ब्लॉक हो जाएंगी. इसकी वजह से आपके हार्ट पे प्रेशर बढ़ेगा एंड इट विल लीड्स टू हार्ट अटैक. ओके. so it is very important to keep your diet balanced. Okay. So that's all for today, and we will do excretion tomorrow. Okay. Signing off. Bye bye.